Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn something about current affairs as well as a strategically important topic in Pakistan. We will be discussing the maritime security of Pakistan. So let's dive into it. What is a maritime security? The security of oceans throughout Pakistan is known as the maritime security of Pakistan. Let's get into it. First is its introduction. Pakistan's maritime security is crucial for the country's economic and strategic interests. At the very onset, in its introduction, we know that Pakistan's maritime security is important not only strategically but also for the economy of the country. Some part of the economy of Pakistan is dependent upon the maritime security of Pakistan. How? Because Pakistan imports many things and exports some things as well through the maritime borders of Pakistan. Pakistan has maritime borders with three countries that will be discussed in our coming lecture. Maritime boundaries. Pakistan has a 1046 kilometer long coastline along the Arabian Sea with maritime boundaries shared with Iran, Oman, and India. As we know, that Pakistan's maritime border has a length of 1046 kilometer through the Arabian Sea, which is connected with Pakistan, and Pakistan has the border with it. Coastline is the line of border that is with any ocean. Hence, in this way, Pakistan has a coastline of 1046 kilometer, and three countries are connected with Pakistan with the coastline. These are India and Iran and Oman. Three countries are connected with Pakistan via the maritime borders. Importance of maritime security. How the maritime security is important. Number one, economic interests. Pakistan's economic interests are very important to Pakistan, and how these economic interests serve Pakistan. It is because Pakistan imports and exports and has trade through the ocean, which is maritime. So the port of Karachi and Port Qasim handle a significant portion of Pakistan's trade. There are two important ports in Pakistan, the port of Karachi, which is in Karachi, and Port Qasim, which is also near to the port of Karachi. So these two ports, because of these two ports and on these two ports, there is a lot of trade of Pakistan with foreign countries through the maritime borders. In this way, these two ports are economically very important for Pakistan, which make Pakistan progressive developed. Because of these two ports, Pakistan is progressing too, and Karachi is immensely important because of the port of Karachi too, and Port Qasim. These are handling a significant portion of Pakistan's trade because there are imports and exports and many things, including the liquefied natural gas (LNG) and different other trade things are imported and exported here. Hence, making maritime security essential for economic stability. If Pakistan is to have economic stability, its maritime security should be strengthened, and it can only be done when Pakistan works for the maritime security and enhances its level of making it stabilized through the security. Number two, how maritime security is important. Energy security. Because of the maritime security, Pakistan is also going to have energy security in Pakistan. Pakistan imports a substantial amount of oil and liquefied natural gas (LNG) through its ports, making maritime security critical. Because the oil, the petroleum, and LNG liquefied natural gas are also coming to Pakistan through these two ports. Therefore, these two ports are very important for Pakistan, making them critical, very critically security having. They demand very critical security because LNG and the other oil both are able to have a lot of fire. Therefore, its security is very important, and because of fine security, the people can be saved from any kind of accident, and the nation too, because LNG and gas are imported in high quantity. If anything occurs, it means that there will be much economic loss for Pakistan. Strategic interest. Number third, Pakistan's maritime security is closely linked to its strategic interests, including the security of its naval bases and the protection of its maritime communication lines. One more thing, Pakistan's strategic interests are also in the maritime security, making Pakistan enabled or trying to make Pakistan enabled that its maritime security is strengthened. Petroleum, gas, and other sort of things strategically are very important to Pakistan. So it makes it that the naval bases of Pakistan, the bases of the Navy of Pakistan should be secured. If these are secured, it means that other part of Pakistan is also secured through the maritime borders. Because there is not only the land issue, land problem. From lands, army is defending Pakistan. From the maritime borders, it is the Navy of Pakistan which defends Pakistan against any enemy attacks. Like there are neighboring countries which want to play havoc with the peace of Pakistan, play havoc with the economy of Pakistan, and it can only be possible that the Navy of Pakistan and the naval bases of Pakistan are strongly equipped with security equipment, making themselves enabled to defend. So the communication lines are also secured, that also comes in the strategic interest. Now, what are the threats to maritime security? How Pakistan's maritime security is threatened, these points are to be discussed now. Number one, piracy and armed robbery. Piracy in any oceans, in any seas occurs mostly. What is piracy? Piracy means that any pirates, the dacoits of ocean, come and they attack the common people who are doing trade, who are doing fishing, or if there is any import and export, means the survey of economy and trade. So what happens that piracy and armed robbery, there can be ships which can rob the importing and exporting ships, and there would be the armed robbery with weapons. They can do this. Second number threat to Pakistan's maritime security is terrorism that Pakistan's security is facing. What is terrorism? Terrorism is also happening in the ocean, in the maritime borders of Pakistan. What does it mean? It means that there are terrorists in the different sort of ships, and whenever they find an opportunity to attack the Pakistan ships for trade, so they will attack and they can spread terrorism in the ships too. Number three, smuggling and human trafficking. In the ocean, there are long borders and long length of Pakistan in the ocean too. So there can be smuggling. Wherever there are weak security areas, there can be smuggling of different kind of things, whether it is drugs or other imported other equipment that is not allowed in Pakistan. And there can be human trafficking as well. Humans can be trafficked from Pakistan out of the countries or from out other countries to Pakistan too. Number three, environmental concerns. There are different environmental concerns too, which are a great threat, which are a big threat to the maritime security of Pakistan. Like there is pollution, overfishing, and climate change. Because of Pakistan's maritime security is threatened. Overall, Pakistan's maritime security is very essential. Pakistan's Navy, Pakistan's government, and other agencies, other authorities of Pakistan should take some solid steps towards strengthening Pakistan's maritime security. Furthermore, it can also be noted over here that because of our strong maritime security, our economy can be much stabilized. Thank you so much for joining us.